Hello and welcome to Cloudy Math. Today I want to show you how to solve systems of linear equation algebraically by using substitution method. Let's look at example 1. It gives us a system of linear equations, and we are using the 5 steps to solve it. Step 1. Make x or y alone. That means we are looking for a variable which coefficient is 1. In the top equation, the coefficient of x is -2, and the coefficient of y is 1. In the bottom equation, the coefficient of x is 5, and the coefficient of y is -2. So obviously, in the top equation, the y already has coefficient of 1, so we pick y. In order to make y by itself alone, we can transpose the -2x to the right, and then we have y equals 2x plus 1. We didn't change anything for the second equation, so we just copy it down here, and we have 5x minus 2y equals 10. Step 2. Make two equations into one by using substitution. That means we're gonna replace the y with 2x plus 1 in the bottom equation. So we have 5x minus 2 times, here y is 2x plus 1, and copy down the rest of the number. Step 3. Solve. Here we are able to solve the value of x. We use the distributive property to open this parenthesis. We have 5x minus 4x minus 2 equals 10, and then combine the left term. 5x minus 4x is x, and then copy down the rest of the number. Then we add 2 on both sides of the equation, so we're left with x equals 12, and this is the value of the x. Step 4. Substitute back to solve another variable. That means when you substitute back the x equals 12 to our original equations, we can substitute here or here. I pick the first one, so I have -2x, here x equals 12, and copy down the rest of the number. Then solve it. We have -24 plus y equals 1, and then we add 24 on both sides of the equation, and we end up with y equals 25. Here we have the x value and we have the y value. We are able to write the answer as a coordinate point, which is 12, 25. And this is the answer for the example 1. The second example is a similar question, so I encourage you to pause this video and try to figure it out by your own. Okay, let's do it together. Step 1. Make x or y alone. I choose x because in the bottom equation, the x already has coefficient of 1. So in order to make x alone, I can transpose the 4y to the right. So I have x equals -4y plus 16. And I copy down the first equation here. 3x plus 2y equals 8. Step 2. Make two equations into one using substitution. That means when you replace the x with -4y plus 16 in the first equation, so we have 3 times -4y plus 16 plus 2y equals 8. And then solve for y. We use distributive property, and we have -12y plus 48 plus 2y equals 8. And then combine the left term. We have -10y plus 48 equals 8. And transpose the 48 to the right. We have -10y equals -40. And then divide -10 on both sides of the equation, and we end up with y equals 4. Step 4. Substitute back to solve another variable. So we can substitute the y equals 4 back to our original equations. We can substitute here or here. You can pick either one. I choose the second one. So I have x plus 4 times, here y is 4, equals 16. And then we have x plus 16 equals 16. We subtract the 16 from both sides of equation, and then we end up with x equals 0. Here we have the x value and we have the value of y. We are able to write the answer as a coordinate point, which is 0, 4. And this is the answer for the example 2. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will update algebra tutorial every week, so see you in the next video.